Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is specially for the CFA Level 1 February 2025 candidates. I'm giving you a quick checklist that you should be having or should be following at this point with just about 2.5 months left for your exams. So let's get straight to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even then please join the community by subscribing to it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the people who are already a part of this channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so guys, this checklist is something that you should be following, and if you haven't yet, then note it down and start following it, because believe me, this will be a game changer for you. So let's start with number 1. If you haven't yet done ethics, kindly get it done ASAP, because from now onwards, literally from the moment you see this video till your exam day, you should be solving at least 7 to 10 questions of ethics a day, if not every day, at least 4 times a week, right? And Jan-May, this should become every single day. If you actually want to clear the exam, this is very, very, very important. Number 2, if you haven't yet completed your syllabus and you feel कि काफी कुछ रह गया है, please keep a deadline of January 28th, considering your exam is on Feb 18th. If your exam is on Feb 19th, the date can go from Jan 28th to Jan 29th, but basically at the latest you should have at least 20 days of revision in hand. So वैसे plan करके चलो. Point number 3, if you haven't yet done, then please maintain a formula sheet, a formula book, basically a particular place where you've written all chapter wise formulas separately. This should be separate from your notes as much as possible, a place where you can just quickly open and कि यहाँ पे सिर्फ formulas लिखे हैं, not notes, not anything. Believe me, it is a game changer. Next, if you haven't yet, then make sure you have checked your name on your passport validity, and have compared it to the passport to your registration name on the CFA Institute ID. If by chance there is a difference, for example, if in your passport name there is a middle name, but in your CFA Institute registration there is no middle name, please mail the institute at once. It is highly changeable. It is possible you get it rectified, but if you do not get it rectified, they will not let you sit for the exam. So make sure you're doing this thing. Next, by January at the latest, you should be practicing only and only from institute questions. Whether you have studied from the institute material or not is not an issue, but from January onwards, your practice questions should only and only be done from the institute. Remember, institute questions are gold. Simple logic, जो exam बना रहा है उनसे better who will know what to ask you and how to give you practice questions. In fact, if you have very minimal time, then make sure the mocks that you do is also the institute mocks only. Keep that as your number 1 priority. Next, if you go to a particular teacher, go for coaching, go for classes, then now is absolutely not a good time to change your teacher or find another prep provider, because it can get a little tricky assuming that you've used this particular prep provider since months. So अभी आप एक नया prep provider use करने जाओगे, it can affect your mental state. So as much as possible, avoid doing that unless you're really in a sinking boat and you haven't studied anything. Then maybe you can consider, but other than that, I would say do not consider that. Next point, this you can start from January. If you do it from now, it's a bonus, but at least mid-January onwards, make sure that your body clock is trained to be very, very active during your exam time. For example, if your exam is at 9 a.m. in the morning, then make sure your most productive, most active state of mind is at 9 a.m. from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Train your body to get used to that cycle. If your exam is at 4 p.m., then make sure that is your most productive time. Believe me, this is a game changer, because the more alert your mind, the better your exam. And last but not the least, for the Feb 2025 candidates, if you are interested or if you feel like you're lacking or you need a study buddy, somebody who can guide you, help you, literally give you customized plans. Maybe you haven't completed your syllabus and you're in a panic mode. Maybe you are working or have other commitments that are not letting you plan enough or plan efficiently. Or maybe, just maybe, you yourself are lacking to understand your time and how to manage it. What should I study first? What should you study next? Etc. etc. In that case, do not hesitate to get yourself a study buddy. That is me. I'm adding the link in the registration. You can join our 8-week CFA customized study plan right now. We are closing registrations for Feb in December. So December is the last time you can register for the Feb exam, the 8-week plan, post which we will not take registrations for Feb. And with that, I am closing this video. I hope it has helped you. I am gonna share some last minute on exam day tips with you very soon, but of course इस वीडियो में वो पार्ट नहीं है. In case I have missed out on anything, one point I'm sure you guys will say is DEPHIL forms कब खुलेंगे? अभी नहीं खुलेगा, it will open end of January. So yes, uske alawa, if I've missed out on anything, do not hesitate and write it down in the comments, and I'll definitely try to help you with whatever I know. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.